Nothing much.
Okay, hi टेली मसाला ऑडियंस, कैसे हो आप लोग?
जवाब दे दिया हम लोगों ने.
अब तुम भी पूछो कैसे हो आप लोग?
नहीं, I got my answer ना.
Still.
Okay, so what's up? What are your plans for Christmas?
Okay, mine. I am तो going out with you, no? You forgot?
Oh no, you're not.
I am.
No, she's gonna cancel. वो हमेशा cancel ही करती रहती है.
मैं नहीं करूँगी इस बार cancel.
Yeah, let's see. Pictures में नहीं दिखी तो आपको पता है वो cancel हो गई. Cancel हो गई. What are your plans? Tomorrow's whose birthday?
Tomorrow my nanu's birthday.
So you're spending your night there ना?
Evening there.
Evening, हाँ. Sorry.
Yeah, and night I'm gonna be with you. Okay. Oh, you know what, नीति? I don't think किसी को भी पता है कि हम एक दूसरे से पहले भी मिल चुके हैं और हम फिर भी एक दूसरे को नहीं जानते थे.
Yes, actually बहुत जन्म का रिश्ता है.
I know,
I think when I came to Bombay for the first time, not for the first time, मतलब रहने के लिए. तो आप बताएंगे?
नहीं.
Please बताओ.
Okay, so हम दोनों शामक में थे. We were in a special batch called SPB. So I was in A and she was in B. And हमें पता, हम एक दूसरे से मिले नहीं थे तब, क्योंकि वो क्या होता है ना, जैसे A grade B grade होता है ऐसे.
Excuse me.
वैसे हम में ना बहुत attitude था.
A people, yeah.
Yeah, A people, we were like that. Okay, तो हम recently बात कर रहे थे, and she's like, तुझे इतना अच्छा डांस क्यों आता है? मैंने कहा तुझे इतना अच्छा डांस कैसे आता है? And she's like, oh, because I was a Shamak student. मैंने कहा, what are you saying? Even I was a Shamak person. She's like, when? I was in SPB. What? SPB? Yeah, which year? 2008. एक second. What? 2006, 2008. 8 ना, हाँ. So I'm like, कैसे? She's like, I was in A batch. I said I was in A batch. She said, oh, I was in B batch. What are you saying? And फिर हम गाने ये कर रहे थे. So हमें तब पता
we were
चला.
like the
Same batch. मतलब एक के बाद एक हमारे जैसे classes खत्म होते
same
थे.
place also.
Same
ना?
place.
Yeah.
Wow, so cool.
अच्छा फर्स्ट डे का रिएक्शन कैसा रहा एक दूसरे को देखकर वैसा और
Also ये हमारे set आती थी मुझे ताड़ने के लिए. नहीं. She used to come on the set. She used to come on the set to meet the director and the DOP.
Oh, I met them again, by the way.
अच्छा, very good. So she used to come because वो उनके साथ जली अंजलि में थी. So वो आती थी और मेरे को ऐसे स्माइल देती थी. And I used to be like जली अंजलि.
Yeah, you know why? Because जो हमारे डायरेक्टर थे वो इन्हें पूल से नंदिनी के वजह पे, अरे चांदनी राइट, oh sorry चांदनी नहीं.
No, but you used to find me very cute. And she used to stalk me and watch my videos also. And she saw ये है Ashiki also. Don't lie.
I watched ये है Ashiki, I loved it.
Yeah, she said I loved it. And I was like,
I think हम पहली बार वहाँ मिले थे किसी एक मीटिंग पे जहाँ पे हम
we met at Star Office.
No, उसके पहले.
Star.
You know, we went with that ad, that milk ad. That Amul milk ad. What is wrong with you?
Amul. No, we met at the awards.
No, we didn't. Before that, we met this Amul ad. You went to Neetu's office. Remember? Neetu's office.
Oh yes, yeah. Oh yeah. I remember. Where we both didn't get selected.
फ्रेंडशिप करने कौन गया था उसके पास सबसे पहले
I think it was me.
नहीं.
Yeah, I was the one. Listen, give me your number.
Yeah, because that time because all her friends were out of town and she had nothing to do. That's why she told me give me your number. Otherwise, I went and said hi. I went and said
No,
hello.
we both said, oh hi. We're like, hi, what's up? How are you? You're
I think
also
that was
here.
the first time we spoke.
We spoke for the first time over there. Otherwise, I used to see in Amita ka Amit. So when I saw her in real, I was like, Mama, I saw Amita. So she's like, oh, because they used to watch the serial and everything. So they're like, oh. I was like,
की बात करें तो क्या क्या प्लान
We can never talk about this.
we can never stop. See, मतलब कैसे? हाँ, New Year का क्या plan है? I have no plan.
I have no plans either.
We are planless. Do you
Yeah.
want to plan something for us?
Let's
Plan.
plan something for us.
We will
Like send us to Goa or something again.
Yeah. Imagine है ना where we both will only sit and do nothing.
Yeah, क्योंकि हम कोई राइड पे नहीं
हम
बैठते.
कोई राइड पे नहीं बैठते, हम
है ना?
बस बैठते हैं. तो हम इमेजिका वापस जाएंगे सिर्फ बैठने के लिए. और इमेजिका
So, हाँ.
That's it. We have no plan.
No plans. Okay, what is your New Year resolution?
I don't keep any resolution
Yeah, because you break them.
I break them. I don't keep only.
No, I have kept a
Oh,
New
what
Year
is? Oh, she basically wanted me to ask her what is your resolution. What is it, Chandni?
Then I will not cut my hair again.
Color? You forgot to color.
Color them also.
No, but they're not looking bad.
I know, thanks.
Did you copy one? So we have a friend, okay, a common friend, who put it on Facebook, and she's a
She's
very
not
close
only
friend.
cute, she's retarded also.
Who put it on Facebook? What did she write?
We can't do that.
No, we're joking.
Khulam khula bitching. What if she sees this?
Bitch, you can't use such words.
Khulam khula.
Chugluing. That's
Chungal.
No, but that's about it. We won't talk about it. खुद ही लग
Your
गई.
bones.
Yeah, now what
But
to
she's
do?
very bony.
Tell them I have very nice biceps and triceps.
She has very nice triceps and biceps. Anything else?
Abs
She has 2 abs.
and
I saw.
calves. Calf muscle.
Her calf muscle is also nice.
I do Zumba. Yeah, thanks. You
Yeah,
do
she
Zumba?
does Zumba.
I call her every day. I was like, come
She
for
calls
Zumba
me
class.
every day.
Okay, bye.
Okay, bye. She makes me do that, yeah. So half of the time जो मुझे कभी कोई पूछता है कि अच्छा मुझे बताओ तुम्हें नीति के बारे में क्या अच्छा लगता है, हम क्या करते हैं, हम कट करते हैं, ये मुझे बताती है और फिर हम ओके.
बिल्कुल भी नहीं. No way, Jose.
और Jose?
No.
What is Jose?
No way. What is it?
Just no way.
No, it's no way, Jose.
What is Jose? Jose
yeah.
is the RJ का name.
That is
Who's
somebody
become a
else.
VJ.
Oh,
He was always a VJ.
are you
He
done?
was all.
Are you done?
Yeah.
So that is it from us.
Okay, you tell me who's your favorite hero?
Everybody knows who my favorite hero is.
Shahid
And Farhan Akhtar.
and Farhan.
Irfan Khan.
And Irfan, one expression.
Irfan Khan.
Okay. Happy, sad, cry, emotional.
Who is your favorite actor? When she asks me questions, I have to ask. Oh, my best friend keeps taking pictures with him, no? And you keep saying, why did you have pictures with him? Why don't you meet him?
No. Renee has photos with Shah Rukh Khan.
Ranveer Singh also.
When did this happen?
Upset हो गई कुड़ी.
रणवीर सिंह का नाम नहीं लिया जाए.
रणवीर सिंह का नाम नहीं लिया जाए.
Touchy हो जाती.
बहुत टची हो जाती है ये लड़की.
I want to talk to Renee first.
No.
She has photos. Yes.
I saw. Comments about बेफिक्रे. किसके साथ देखा, क्यों देखा और कैसा लगा और कहाँ देखा. जनता जानना चाहती है ये सवाल.
और ये क्यों देखा ये तो
और क्यों देखा.
First day first show. Surprise था. The tickets was the surprise for me. And the
कौन
movie.
है जो आपको सरप्राइज
नीति टेलर.
अच्छा.
और जो फर्स्ट मतलब जैसे वो टिकट्स मेरे लिए सरप्राइज थे वो मूवी मेरे लिए सरप्राइज थी क्या. What was it about? मैंने 2 बार देखी.
What?
एक बार घर पे समझने के लिए देखनी. ऑब्वियसली आई लाइक रणवीर सिंह यार. समझने के लिए देखूंगी ना. मजा ले कुछ समझ आए. I don't have it. It just hurts.
But damn, he was very cute in the movie.
He was so cute. Oh my god, and so hot.
और बानी के साथ देख के कैसा लगा?
यार,
How do you find Bani Kapoor?
it's Vani.
Vani, yeah, Vani, whatever.
Vani. Yeah.
मेरे शो में भी है. तुम शिबानी हो या शिबानी? वी. Sorry.
रहने देते हैं ना. उसने देख लिया उसको बुरा लग जाएगा. वो शायद सुसाइड कर ले कि किसी को मैं इतनी नापसंद हूँ. क्या मैं इतनी बुरी हूँ. तो नेवर माइंड. रहने देते हैं.
Look at her face. How are you like this? Okay.
Seriously, I mean, कोई भी हो सकता था यार. मतलब कोई भी हो सकता था यार. नीति. And how many times did she kiss Ranveer Singh?
I swear I didn't count कितनी बार.
Why her?
चली जाती ना ऐसे वानी कपूर को पुल करके you should have done that only, no?
I really wish. He's so cute. Even if I look.
Okay, so I think this interview won't stop with Ranveer Singh. So let's
move on.
move on, and now that's about it. Let's end it.
No, let's move on. No, never mind.
So now this is about it, and we are signing off, and we wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.